A cordless ratchet is a revolutionary tool that blends the simplicity of a manual ratchet with the power of a rechargeable motor. It's designed to help you tighten or loosen bolts with less effort and a whole lot more speed. Whether you're working on a car, machinery, or tackling a DIY project, this tool can make all the difference. Unlike traditional ratchets, which rely entirely on hand strength, a cordless ratchet uses a battery-powered motor to drive the ratchet mechanism. So, instead of the slow and repetitive back and forth motion of a manual ratchet, all you have to do is pull the trigger, and the motor does the work for you. This saves time, reduces fatigue, and increases your overall productivity. One of the biggest benefits of a cordless ratchet is its speed. With its motorized drive, it spins much faster than a manual ratchet. This is especially useful in situations where you need to remove or tighten a lot of fasteners, like when you're working on car engines or heavy machinery. For instance, imagine removing multiple bolts from an engine block or assembling parts for a project. Using a cordless ratchet speeds up the entire process, making it way faster than doing it manually. Another standout feature of cordless ratchets is how they reduce physical strain. Tightening or loosening bolts manually can be exhausting, especially for larger projects. With a cordless ratchet, all you need to do is hold the tool and guide it. The motor does all the heavy lifting, which means you can work for longer periods without experiencing the fatigue that comes with using a manual wrench. Cordless ratchets also have a compact design that makes them easy to use in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. In automotive work, for example, the engine compartment often leaves little room to move around. A cordless ratchet's smaller, lighter build allows you to maneuver it into these cramped spaces without struggling. Whether you're working under a car or in a cramped corner of machinery, the cordless ratchet gives you flexibility and access. Another advantage is the adjustable torque settings many cordless ratchets offer. This feature ensures you apply the right amount of force, preventing over-tightening or damaging sensitive components. For tasks like car repairs or delicate machinery assembly, being able to control the torque precisely is a huge plus. However, like all tools, cordless ratchets have their limits. The most notable downside is their battery life. Depending on how much power you're using, you might need to recharge after extended use. This can be a bit of a hassle if you're in the middle of a big job and don't have a spare battery. Also, while cordless ratchets are great for most tasks, they don't pack the same torque power as pneumatic or corded models, so they're not always the best option for extremely heavy-duty applications. Still, the cordless ratchet is a highly versatile and efficient tool, especially for tasks that require speed and precision. It makes working faster, easier, and less physically demanding, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast.